Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to fade in fade out audio in Camtasia. First, open Camtasia, add audio to your timeline. So this is the audio that will be fading in and out. So for that, click on More. Select Audio Effects. Here you can see the fade in and fade out effects. Now click on Fading Effect and drag it to your timeline. It will be fade the static part of your audio. Then again select fade out and drag it to your timeline. It will be fade the ending part of your audio. You can also adjust the duration for how much you want to fade in and fade out by dragging the audio pointer like this. So if I drag this pointer 85% or something like that, it will fade in like this. The same procedure for fade out, drag this audio pointer like this as much as you want. And you can see that the audio has been fading out successfully. So now if I want to fade in and fade out in the middle of the audio, simply right click on the audio and make 3 pointers on audio. Drag the middle one to the bottom. And you can see the fade in and fade out effect added to your middle of audio like this. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.